Hello, my name is Muhammad Hanif, but you can call me Han. I am informatic management student at Pakuan University and I am very interested to share my experience in the Bangkit program. When I first heard about Bangkit, I was immediately interested in joining. The program offers a deep understanding of technology as well as invaluable practical experience. I chose the cloud computing path and very material as to the profit new insight into technologies. They are increasingly relevant in today's job market. Throughout this journey, I not only developed technical skill but also important soft skill such as time management, teamwork, adaptability, and English proficiency. All this helped me grow as professional. Thank you for taking Thank you for taking the time to listen to my story.